you snooze, you lose. We got to get this party started. So let me move myself out of the way so that we can use all the time that you can hear from these amazing leaders. You can hear some great testimonials. And most importantly, you get the opportunity now to change your life. Well, I'm going to bring on a very young gentleman who's been in this industry for quite some time. He's been very, very successful in this industry. He's been a consultant to network marketers. He is the real deal, you guys. And let me tell you something. I was so happy to talk to him about a year ago, and he said, you know what, I'm planting my flag with 10. 10 is where it's at, and that is exactly what's going on today. So please give me a warm welcome to Mr. T. Have you made it to the line?
Yes, I have, Nikisha. Can you hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you clear as a bell, Mr. T. Take it away.
All right. Thank you so much for that warm introduction, Miss Hollywood, Southern California. Folks, get ready. Lace up them shoes, get your popcorn ready, pull out your pen and paper because we have an exciting call tonight. Folks, just so much excitement is in the air. I know, Keisha, you're down there with the Brazzles. I'm surprised y'all ain't set the whole resort on fire yet. I know Dr. Brazzle, he's already lost his voice, so we're going to hear from the other half, the better half, Dr. Rosie tonight, and then you're going to hear from Sir Dwight Washington from DDT, from the Dayton Dream Team in Ohio. He's in San Diego right now, so I appreciate you taking a few minutes. Then you're going to hear from Nikisha talking about the comp plan, and I'm going to bring Keisha up here in a few minutes just to talk a little bit about the product. So, folks, what can I say? The timing right now with Ken simply could not be any better. I've known Melanami for 11 years now, going on 12 years. I'm simply blown away. I mean, they have simply outdone themselves here, and just so good. It feels just, good just to know people who have, good hearts and care about the field. And I'll just say this, internationally, the comp plan as it was exploding. But as you all know, here in the United States, there's companies left and right popping up, every 2 minutes. And for Mel to do what he did, to stay relevant and to literally blow away the competition, boy, I tell you, it's simply over the top. What I want to do right now, because we have a Power Pack call lined up, I want to bring to the call one of our leaders from Northern California who's been doing such an amazing job breaking down these products. She's going to take a few minutes and break down our sprays, plus our new-to-the-market Trim by 10. Keisha, are you on the line?
I'm on the line. Can you guys hear me okay? I'm outdoors here at this beautiful resort.
Yes, we can hear you just fine.
All right, cool. Mr. T, as usual, I am pretty darn thrilled and honored to overview these products that we have because they carry so much significance for ourselves and people we know, our family members, people in our communities, just people we run into, and just our daily walk. And, it's just amazing the impact they could have and have been having with us. So I'm just overwhelmed actually with joy with what they actually mean. What I need to do though is I need to take a minute to just throw out there that we can't make any medical claims of treatment, prevention, or cure of any disease. However, what we can say is stick around and you'll hear examples of how Mel and Amy Gill, our outstanding powerhouse ownership team have put these products together in such a way that the products themselves have triggered a staggering number of incredible testimonials of what these results-driven products have done. Firstly, our attention-grabbing intraoral vitamin nutritional sprays are captivating a market of 7+ billion people because of that amazing delivery system, which imparts about 98 to 100% absorption of the high-quality ingredients that Melanami really wanted to go into these sprays, and they would not compromise. Okay, Team Effort Networks' intraoral sprays are fast, they're easy and convenient to use. And without further ado, our first spray is D-Power. And D-Power provides, vitamin D3 and E. We know D3 as a sunshine vitamin. And of course, maybe we all know by now, and some people may be new to the line, that vitamin E is actually a super powerful antioxidant. And I just wanted to mention, really, I'm not going to take too much time on the intraoral sprays because I want to get to that new product so bad. Oh my gosh, it's just eating me alive. But The D-Power means so much to me personally and other people in the company, but I just want to throw out there, I want to challenge everybody to, if you haven't already, go ahead and do some research on each one of these ingredients and these products, because let me tell you, you'll be blown away by what it will mean to you. And you'll be more knowledgeable, and you might be able to help somebody out with some information, because I can tell you that I was just waiting for somebody to come along with some information like this. And when I heard it, I knew exactly what it was. I was just ready for it. And it's transformed my life. Okay, so that D-Power is absolutely amazing. I just want you to keep in mind that vitamin D3 is not just for bone health. It does so much. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of different sources now that are just bringing us, information about what vitamin D3 really, really does for us. So go ahead and check that out. Now, our next spray, B-Boost, contains B3, B6, and B12. And I was just talking to someone who actually drove up here to Las Vegas with me, and I totally forgot about her testimonial, but we were just cracking up in our suite here. She was telling me how she had tried the B-Boost spray for the first time, and she said she went over to a friend's house, and she was just pretty much jumping all over the place. She had so much energy, and she was saying, "Come on, Jerry, let's go do this, let's go do that." And I just want to burn this energy off, and she was just so excited. It was just really, it tickled me to death, because these products, they actually really, really are phenomenal in what they do. So that B-Boost spray is very powerful, actually. Go ahead and do your research on B vitamins and what they should mean to you, because I don't think that most Americans, at least, get enough B12, not to mention the other B vitamins in their system. So go ahead and go ahead and do some research on what B vitamins could do for you, and how they can make your body actually do what it was designed to do. Now, our next spray that I'm going to talk about is our Super 10. Our Super 10 spray contains 10 superfoods, and I cannot overview all of those. I can't even mention all of those names, but let me tell you, it has 10 different components. And each one of those components is super powerful. It includes maki berry, green tea extract, and 5-HTP, some of the most powerful components on the health and wellness market. And then they're all together in this one spray, 10 of those caliber ingredients. And Super 10 is just amazing in what it does, including inflammation, age-related macular degeneration, just brain health. It cleans the toxins out of your cells, inflammation in your joints. I have a testimonial about that myself, and I could go on and on and on. But our next spray is our Cell Energy intraoral spray, and this is a product that has so much meaning to so many people. Those who have been on the calls before, we've heard testimonials about how Cell Energy has improved eye health. I have actually a couple of people on my team who have told us how Cell Energy improved their night vision. They noticed after a few months, and one person didn't even notice until they heard another testimonial, and they were driving home that night and were like, "Wait a minute, yeah, my eyesight is improved." Cell Energy contains glutathione. It's the number one. It's the mother of all antioxidants. Okay, Cell Energy is like an immune system in a bottle. It contains glutathione, resveratrol, alpha-lipoic acid, which is amazing in how it actually works with glutathione, and it contains a natural caffeine. Cell Energy, go ahead and spray that, because the components in Cell Energy will just help you to feel refreshed. It helps you feel like yourself. It helps you just reboot. You get up in the morning feeling like yourself, and I have a testimonial about that as well. Now, our next spray I'm going to talk about, I saved it for last because it's going to tie right into our new product that I'm so excited about, is our Slim by 10. It's a weight loss supplement, and it is phenomenal in how it's able to work. It has 5 highly sought-after ingredients, and I say that because these are 5 of the 5 results-driven components. It contains, Garcinia cambogia. Garcinia cambogia is amazing. It's the number 2 appetite suppressant, and it also it basically it shrinks your weight. It gets rid of the dangerous fat, the fat around your organs is what I'm trying to say, and it blocks the fat-making process. I don't know what to say about that ingredient. It's just phenomenal in what it does and just how it behaves in the body. The next component is Caralluma fimbriata. Caralluma fimbriata is the number 1 appetite suppressant. And those of you who, have doubts about, a product being able to suppress your appetite, I can tell you it worked. And it will work. It'll take away those cravings. Also, the Slim by 10 is great for those cravings it'll take away those cravings, and it helps to control your blood sugar. I have a couple of customers who love it simply for that reason alone. It helps to, to normalize their blood sugar levels. But yeah, it's amazing. It also contains African mango. African mango helps shrink the waistline. It does a whole lot more, actually. It also contains green tea extract and green coffee extract, and those burn the fat right up. And green tea extract is actually a very powerful antioxidant. So those are our 5 wonderful, wonderful sprays, and I saved the Slim by 10 for last because what you're going to do with that Slim by 10 is you're actually going to use your Slim by 10 with our Trim by 10. It's our newest product unveiled here in Las Vegas, and let me tell you, the ingredients in it are just amazing. When I was reading down our tool here, our 5x7 postcard that has this information on it, and I was thinking, oh, okay, I know about that. Oh, I know about that one. Oh, I've heard of that, and then I started thinking about those ingredients as a whole, and then it started to dawn on me what this could mean, and it's so new that I don't think anybody really, really knows what this means for all of us here, those who are going to use the product. But I can tell you that each one of these, like Melamine, you've been telling us, each one of those ingredients alone are just amazing powerhouses. But together, this TAG blend, this proprietary TAG blend exclusive to 10 is just, it's off the chain. As the kids say, it's off the chain. It has no backstory. We are now creating a story for TAG. And here's what TAG is. TAG is stabilized rice bran, quinoa or quinoa, as it's correctly pronounced, amaranth, and chicory. Chicory, I'm going to start with that ingredient first. It's inulin. Basically, it contains inulin. Inulin is a soluble fiber, and it feeds the digestive flora in the intestines. And that's really important because that can be linked to immune health. And so that's a very, very important component. As a matter of fact, yes, on the call Tuesday, I said that I would confirm the information that I gave you about how much fiber we really need to have in our diets. And it's between 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day. And guess what? I don't know if there's a person on this call that gets 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. So go ahead and make sure that you get that fiber in your diet. That's really, really important. And that's according to the Center for Colorectal Surgery at UCSF. You don't want to wind up there in the colorectal surgery center. So get some more fiber in your diet is the bottom line there. But that chicory root, it's really a really powerful ingredient, okay? And it has the highest concentration of inulin, by the way. It really enhances digestion. The quinoa is, I love quinoa in the little, the entrees that I eat every now and then, but it's an excellent ancient grain. It's a superfood, and it was actually outlawed by the Spaniards. That I mentioned that Tuesday, and I thought that was funny because they really realized the power of this superfood. And when we talk about Trim by 10, what we're really talking about is great health. We're not just talking about the weight loss that's going to come as a side effect, actually, of using the product. But we're really talking about you getting some really good health just by using the Trim by 10. Now, Trim by 10 is actually, it's a drink. So it's powdered, you put it in water, and we heard those testimonials on that call this morning. Okay, so it actually tastes great from what I hear. I haven't tried it myself. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. It's actually funny because I had a sample, and I gave my sample to somebody else because I was thinking, I don't want no stinking sample. I want the whole shebang. Don't be teasing me. So I want that whole thing. So okay, I talked about this. The stabilized rice bran is actually it's an all natural whole food and is considered to be one of the most nutrient dense compounds. And I'm actually reading straight from the 5x7 tool that we have. So I would encourage anybody, if you want to share this product, go ahead and use that. It's not that hard. Just go ahead and share the information right on that card. Now, it contains over 100 antioxidants, and some of us, we know how important those antioxidants are. Okay, we have to keep our cells as clean as possible, and it contains vitamin E, a vitamin E complex actually, and it's rich in B vitamins. It's really, really important. Again, those B vitamins, go ahead and get them inside of you. The amaranth, it's a healthy superfood grain. And what we're talking about really with TAG is ancient grains. And it actually stands for Team Effort Ancient Grains. And that is basically the TAG blend. And there's a lot more to that, but I need to move on. It has 4 other components. Can you believe it? So what Zychrome, Garcinia cambogia, the raspberry ketones, and the maqui berry, which are the other 4 ingredients in the Trim by 10, what it really means is great digestive health, metabolic health. Is just, you'll feel amazing. And even after the samples that people have used, I'm starting to see why, just read this information, they already have testimonials. It's just absolutely amazing. You take each one of these ingredients and they're packed, they're rich with antioxidants and nutrients. And it's just really, really amazing what we have in our hands. And some of those ingredients you might recognize from our other spray vitamin products. I'm going to tell you, when you use any of the Team Effort Network products, whether it be the Trim by 10 or any one of the sprays, what you're talking about is great health. And that's not just me trying to sell you on something. That's me 110, 112, 120% buy-in to what this means for me, the people in my family, the people in this global community. Mr. T, I'm going to turn it right over to you. I hope that was clear and digestible, and I know it is going to improve as we go on.
Awesome, Lakeisha. You shared some real good information regarding the new product, and I hope you all took note. Definitely do your research on all the ingredients. You'll be blown away, like Akeisha so eloquently put it, and you'll be blown away by the effects and the side effects and the benefits of all of the ingredients in our trim as well as the rest of our sprays. Akeisha, thank you so much. Keep it hot down there in Vegas, and look for the update. Yes. Real quick, folks, just for the sake of time, I'm going to turn it right over to one of our leaders in Southern California. Had a great opportunity to meet with her and her husband again, and Lakeisha, was just great seeing you again, girl. But Lakeisha, a.k.a. Hollywood Barnes, why don't you come and break down this compensation plan, and I'm going to tag team with you at the end and talk about some of the enhancements. Lakeisha, take it away.
Absolutely, Mr. T. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
We're going to have to do something about Miss Akeisha. She is out of control with her excitement right now, which I absolutely love. So I'm actually not going to touch it. I'm going to let her do all that. But, I want to say something before we get into this compensation plan, because I think it's so important. You have to realize, of all the things that Akeisha said, and some of the things that stick out to me the most, and I'm really excited. I just sprayed some bee boosts, which is probably not a good idea before I got on this call, but we're going to do the best we can. She said some things that I think are so important. Exclusive, proprietary. You guys, you have to really understand these things have been made exclusively for 10. Our cell energy is not sold by anybody else. Nobody else has glutathione in a spray. Our new Trim by 10, this is proprietary blends, this tag that she was talking about, and all these grains all put together. And I did taste it, Akeisha. It tastes absolutely delicious. And, you know, I've always told people I love the Super 10 because it's got all those great antioxidants in it. I have really bad acid reflux. I just have bad digestion in general. But, you know, I took that drink for 2 days and I feel absolutely amazing. Got very regular. Might be a little bit too much information. Let's get on with the business. You guys, one of the things that I love about this compensation plan is that the sprays are priced so affordably. Sprays, Mr. T will go into the powder, so I'm not going to deal with some of the new products first. I'm just going to talk about some of the old ones, or the existing ones that we have. You can get these products in your customer's hands for as low as $25 a spray. That's a 30-day supply. But your cost is going to be between $12 and $15. And I have to say, I was posting on Facebook last night because I was all in an uproar. I had 5 orders that I had to ship out. Had another order come in today. You guys, these things are selling off the shelf. I can't even keep them. I actually had to go through and raise all my prices because I can't keep them in stock. It's absolutely phenomenal because, you know, there's a lot of companies you can join, and they're not something, and I love what Akeisha said, results driven. We are results driven. That's why the sprays are not staying on the shelf. That's why we're selling out. That's why people don't have storage stockpiles of sprays sitting around the house because they work. When you give them to people, and again, we're not doctors, but you can go on Facebook, you can go onto YouTube, you can Google Team Effort Network, and you will see so many testimonies of people who have tried these sprays and have phenomenal results. And not only do you have phenomenal results on the sprays, but you can have an income that can actually change your life. And the easiest way to do that, I'm going to tell you this, I want you guys to write it down because it's really important. I don't want you to miss it. Are you ready? Here's how you can max it out. You just need 2 people. You just need 2 people to see the vision of what you're talking about, who want to get healthy, who want to increase their income working part-time. You just need 2 people to see that vision. And when you do that, there's all sorts of things that can come your way. We have fast start bonuses of up to $200, guys, fast start bonuses of people who join your organization. We also have a cycling bonus, which means that when 4 and 2 people join your organization, based on the volume, you're going to get $100 plus a 50% match. That's all the way up to $35,000 a week. Let that settle in, guys, because this is not something that I'm just telling you in theory. This is a tried and true compensation plan. Millionaires all over the globe. This compensation plan has been in existence for over 12 years. And Mr. T is going to talk about how this compensation plan has just been put on steroids this last weekend, which is why I am super, super excited. I got my pen and paper ready to go on that. But not only that, you can create this thing called passive residual income. That's really important, guys. And I want you to write that down because what this does for you is it provides you freedom. That's what we're all looking for. You know, sometimes you think it's about the money when you're broke, but when you have money, it's not about the money. It's about being able to have choices. It's about to be able to live where you want to live, drive what you want to drive. And by the way, we have the most awesome compensation for our car bonus. Let me tell you something. You can have as little as 75 people in your organization, and the company will give you a $600 payment to pay for any BMW, Mercedes, or Tesla of your choice. And the compensation plan gets even better. 150 people, you got a $1,200 payment. A $1,200 payment. And remember, you don't have to get 150 people. You just have to follow our simple 2x2 system, and you can be on your way to making massive income. Now, what kind of income am I talking about? Not only are you getting those cycles, $35,000 a week, $35,000. Man, every time I say that, it kind of blows my mind. What would you do right now if you could increase your income by $1,000, $2,000, or $35,000 a week? How would that change your life? You can also get a residual income. Now, this is the most important, of $150,000 in residual income. Why is that important? Because this is a vehicle, guys, that's going to take you to where you want to go. I'm not telling you to come on here and be a professional spray salesman. None of us are, okay? I can tell you, none of us are spray salesmen. All we are people who have tried the products, seen results, and share that with our family and friends. And now we're able to create this passive residual income that allows us to do all the things that we want to do. And it's going to allow you to do all the things that you want to do. What do you want to do with your life? Have you ever been able to stop and think about what you want to do with your life? If you didn't have to go to work and trade all your time in for that little bit of change that's barely getting you from paycheck to paycheck, what would you do with your time? Where would you go? How would you live? The thing about Team Effort Network is we're creating a lifestyle here. It's not just about the money. It's about creating a lifestyle, not only for you and your family, but for everybody that you know. And also leaving a legacy for your children. That residual income, that $150,000 a month that you're going to be earning is something that you can will down to your children. You know, the Bible says that a good man leaves inheritance for his children's children. And that's where I think network marketing came up. It's the perfect way for someone who's just a regular person or an extraordinarily regular person to come in with an investment of less than $400 and start their own multi-million-dollar business. You guys are getting the keys to tap into this almost trillion-dollar nutritional industry. And I can tell you, when you start to go out there and you start to tell people about spray vitamins, they're going to get this crazy look on their face. But then they're going to all of a sudden start saying, well, that makes sense because I hate swallowing pills. They're going to start telling them about the absorption and how the absorption helps the body get those nutrients out to the cells so that you can see improvements in their body. And they're going to say, yes, that makes sense. And then you're going to tell them, and I'm earning money. And then they're going to be like, whoa, I'm so excited. Sign me up. So all you have to do is make a commitment to yourself to say you want something different, to say you want a lifestyle of what would $150,000 a month do for your lifestyle, or $35,000 a week, or a new car. How would that change your lifestyle? All you have to do is say yes to yourself, and we're going to be here to do it. And that $400 investment, that's not just the $400 investment like it was when I first started my business. That's actually going to get you over $600 worth of product. It's going to get you your own website. It's going to get you marketing material for your business. You are going to be set with a business in a box to go out there and make the income that you deserve. Now, Mr. T, I hope everybody is super excited about what I just said. But if you are not excited, check your pulse, first of all, because you should be totally excited. But if you're not excited, Mr. T is going to tell you how this compensation plan just went from amazing to outstanding. Mr. T, take it away.
Woo! And you are so right, Nikisha. Amazing job as always. So much appreciated, folks. Mel introduced a couple of enhancements to the comp plan, and like I said, and Nikisha just mentioned, you know, the comp plan was already amazing. It was already a done deal. It was like, why haven't you signed up for $399? You know, what are you waiting on? Now, no one, and I mean no one, can say no to the 10 opportunity. I mean, we have something now for the high rollers, for the people who are super serious, who want to come in and get off to a blazing start, and that's with our platinum package. In essence, it's $800. 360 BV. And what's amazing, folks, for every person that you bring in at the Platinum Club level, whether you bring them in as a diamond and they upgrade, what have you, those details will be coming out on April 2nd. Just know, Platinum Club, $800 for every person that you sign up. At a Platinum Club level, you earn $200. Plus 360 business volume goes into the cycle bonus. So get this. Let's just use 3 people, for example. Let's say you go up and you go out and you sign up 3 platinum package members tonight. You're going to earn $200, $200, $200. That's $600, folks, in Fast Start bonuses. But it doesn't stop there. You put one of those people on your left and 2 on your right. Guess what? You qualify for a cycle bonus, okay? That's another $150. And because you sponsored 2 people, the third person counts as a team builder bonus. Folks, by signing up 3 people, you will earn over $775 in that same day. Folks, we have that in itself is powerful because most of the times, for one, you're not going to get that kind of payout in Fast Start bonuses. And if you do, then it's not going to count in the team cycle bonuses where you earn $150. Folks, we got it all. We got it all. And then on top of that, if we have those people who are just hard up for money and they want to get started, and, you know, folks, life happens, and I'm sure you have plenty of people, you know, Mr. T, I want to get started, but I can't get started for that $399. Well, guess what? We have a $99 starter package. $99, folks. But guess what? Off of that, you still get a $20 Fast Start bonus. Okay, $20 Fast Start bonus off the $99 package. Okay, a couple of other things that was exciting that Mel mentioned: $2,500 mortgage payment. Okay, $2,500 mortgage payment once you reach a certain level. $3,000 car bonus. And I know for some of you that's like, oh my God, but trust me, the way this is set up now where we can just plug people in, hey, $800, $400, $99. We just need to start plugging people in left and right. Before you know it, you're going to have your $2,500 mortgage payment showing up at your doorstep. What I want to do right now is turn it over to a real good friend of mine. Now, he's part of the DDT, the Dream. Wait a minute, let me get it right. Dayton, let me get a Dayton Dream Team. And I tell you, they're doing an amazing job out there in Dayton, Ohio, with Miss Denise Moore leading the charge. But Sir Dwight Washington, he's an attorney, and had the privilege of meeting him and his wife in Vegas. And boy, I tell you, we had a ton of fun. I'm excited to hear what he has to share. I know he has a personal testimony from the product. But, Sir Dwight, why don't you come to the line, share your testimony, but also share what you experienced in Vegas this past weekend.
Well, dude, Mr. T, can you hear me okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. T, once again, welcome. And it was an absolute outstanding meeting at the Extravaganza. Interesting enough, when you go to these meetings, and we are encouraged to attend the TTPs, the Super Saturdays, and sometimes we say, oh, why? But I'll tell you this, if you do not go, and one person came up to me and said, you know why I come? I said, hopefully to get information. He said, every time I leave here, I get a drop of knowledge that I can take back and use in my business. And thinking about that parallel, the words that was conveyed by Mel and Amy were regarding the product and the revised compensation plan, simply awesome. The Trim by 10 that was just delivered by Akeisha, the ingredients, as healthy and powerful a combination that's ever been put together, awesome. The sheer excitement, as we were told, about our division becoming a $50 million industry within 18 months, once again, awesome. And what could you say about the interaction that we had at the VIP dinner at Caesar Palace? That was awesome as well. But I tell you what my major takeaway from the weekend was when a gentleman approached the stage and received a tremendous round of applause, and richly deserved. When he made his way to the microphone and all of us was looking, he said, you now have products, you know what to do, and you have an opportunity of a lifetime, but, he said, but to be successful in this business, you must follow a very simple plan called RTR. A lot of us were scratching our heads saying, now what does RTR mean? Simply recruitment, train. Once you train that person to go out and get those two people and make them executives, you recruit again. Simply put, RTR. And then Mr. T, he closed by saying, you know, your team will not always do what you want or ask them to do, but they will do what they see you do. Powerful, awesome words, meaning that be a model and your team would follow. Mr. T, my testimony was that I had health issues, and health issues required surgery. Out of surgery, I was able to find the cell energy with glutathione in it. And at the time that I was coming through my physical problem, no one told me about the super antioxidant glutathione. And after I researched it and found out that the urologists in this country call it the fire extinguisher of cancer. And given that I've been on it and all my blood work recently has been absolutely negligible. But besides that, Mr. T and the audience, the new product Trim by 10 in conjunction with what everything we've heard was simply awesome. And Mr. T, I can't wait for our team and for the rest of the 10 family to continue to progress and move forward. Back to you, Mr. T.
Thank you so much, Dwight Washington. Like I said, keep up the great work. You guys enjoy San Diego, and I'm looking forward to you getting back and us, taking this to a whole nother level. Thank you so much for coming on the call.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Yes. Next up, I'm going to go back to Vegas And I think Dr. Reginald lost his voice from all the excitement this past weekend. So we're going to hear from Dr. Rosie Razzle Dazzle Brazzle. So Dr. Rosie, come to the line, folks, just so you know, these guys have been in the industry for a while. They've had a tremendous amount of success. Really glad to have them on the team and appreciate their leadership. But Dr. Rosie, why don't you share what's on your heart and what you took away from this past weekend?
I can't wait to tell you about it. I just can't wait. First, I need to know, can you hear me? Can everybody hear me?
Yes, we can.
All right. I was just blown away by what happened in Vegas about, and what I was listening to is what people were talking about, what you get out of being at one of these big events. The thing is, you're gonna get the program, but the biggest thing that I feel that I get out of it is being around all these excited people that are doing the business and sharing their testimonies and sharing the things that they're doing. Like I say, you pick up something from everybody. You pick up a little knowledge from everybody. Can you imagine picking up a little knowledge from all those people periodically, like we're going back to in June, where we're going Santa Clara, California, wherever. We're going back for another one. Look, this one just blew us away. People came from all over the country, and they were, just excitement all over the place there at the Mirage. You just got to go to the Mirage Hotel. Even if you don't even stay there, just go there. But what I wanted to share, basically what's on my heart, is I was listening to Akeisha. I was listening to Mr. T. I was listening to Nakisha, and I was listening to Dwight. And what it brought back to my mind is what, like Dwight was saying, he said, recruit, train, recruit. I don't know if you guys on this phone, if you do what Mel said, and you recruit, you train, recruit, then he said the two biggest days in your life are when you join 10 and when you finally get it. And what I'm talking about getting right now is how we have the best product in the industry. We have products that nobody can touch. You've heard all the testimonies. If you haven't, get on these calls. Get on the Show Me the Money calls on Tuesday night. Get on the Show Me the Money call on Thursday night. Get on the lifestyle call Monday through Friday at 10 in the morning. 10 my time. It's 8 sometime, and I think it's, anyway, different time. I'm Central. It's 10 in the morning. And learn. You'll hear about all these testimonies and what these products are doing for people. And so we don't have an excuse. Once you've heard about 10 and you've heard about the products, and you know what they do for people, and you know what they do for you if you use them, we don't have another excuse not to be successful in this world. We have the best compensation plan. What I mean, you get 2. Recruit 2, train those 2, and then recruit 2 more. That's it. Train those 2, recruit some more. Recruit, train, recruit. RTR. It's not complicated. And the company pays what? They were paying 10 different ways. I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to go back to the old product, but they were paying 10 different ways. They added new ways this time. That's exciting to me. I want everybody to get how simple and easy it is to make this money. I'm going to say easy, but simple, because you got to share the product. Once you find out what it is, you're going to tell somebody. The company's just going to pay you to tell somebody. We were in a company once where they said get 2. I had no idea what all about the compensation plans or nothing like that. All I knew is they said get 2 people, and they're going to do the same. And what happened is before we knew it, we were making thousands of dollars a week, not a month, a week. And I'm not talking about in a long time. I'm talking about in 6 weeks to 2 months. Because when you're doing that and teaching and telling everybody else, that's all you got to do is get 2 people. Our product was nowhere near what this product is. But when you get your 2 people and they get their 2 people, and it just grows exponentially. It's so very, very simple. And then you can get out of that what Robert Kiyosaki called this rat race. You don't have to work work 40 years and then retire and try to live off or less than you could live off when you were working. You can build up a retirement in, hey, some people can do it in 30 days, 60 days. But give yourself at least 2 years. Give yourself 2 years. It's better than 40 years. You can build a great retirement at this company. If you just, even part-time, just dedicate some time every week to building this business. In 2 years, you won't even think about, you wonder why you were on the job in the first place. I'm going to quit now because this is just awesome. I just wish everybody could have been there and seen what we saw this past weekend. I'm going to wait and save some of this for next time, Mr. T.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rosie. Folks, I know you all can tell the excitement that each of us displayed tonight, and you know it's genuine because I know everybody on this line, and y'all know me. Folks, it's time to flat out take it to the next level, and it's time to flat out get paid. This is the Show Me the Money call. And you know what was so exciting, and I'm going to put this all in a nutshell and bring it home for everybody, but you know, I've known Melanami, like I said, for 11 years, and a couple of things that really jumped out, you know, that most people probably didn't pay attention to, you know, and you heard it tonight. Mel put a dollar figure on it. He put a goal out there. He said $50 million in 18 months. And I know Melanami, and if they put it out there like that, they are going to do everything to enable us and to help us and to help the company get to 50 million plus in 18 months. So it's up to you. How much of that pie do you want in your bank account? Another thing that they added to the mix, which I thought was just so encouraging, is we got a new website coming, folks, but the marketing materials to go around it, the new little video that most of you who stay in tune with what's going on out there in the latest technology, that little that's just the start, folks. But that new little video and some of the moves that we have made, I've seen other companies do the same thing with far less, you know, I don't even know how, but products that can't even touch ours, you know, and even one that was in the electricity industry. And they just simply blew up. Now, all of it wasn't just based on these tools, but these tools help take them to the next level. So, folks, all the right moves were made this past weekend. Be encouraged, and I want to, you know, it's so cool. I got a couple of calls today, and I'm not going to say any names. They're like, Mr. T, look, I'm reactivating and we about to go to work. This is amazing. I got several calls like that. And I want to encourage you all, if you have people who may have went inactive, tell them it's time to get active and lace up those shoes. And those of you who know those big-time networkers or people who couldn't afford to get started, we got the $800 package and we got the $99 package. There is no excuse. Now is the time. Mark down April 2nd. That's going to be an amazing call. A lot of details are going to come from corporate on that call. And then you heard it June 20th in Santa Clara, California. You heard from some of the people on the call tonight how important it is to attend these events as well. We're going to be planning something for the East Coast as well. And then for those of you who have people in Canada, please write down this email, teamsprayitup@gmail.com. teamsprayitup@gmail.com. Just email me, hey, Mr. T, I have a couple of people that I can target who live in Toronto or Mississauga or Vancouver, and we're going to pre-launch. I haven't put an official date on it, but we're going to start pre-launch in Canada. Folks, it's time to go to work. It's time to take this to the top. Dr. Rosie, you couldn't have said it any better. We can put in a year, 2 years of hard work and blowing out this business, and we can set up our retirement, okay? So, folks, if you're brand new, make sure you get with the person that invited you to this call and get rolling and get started with us today. We'll have, you know, these two same calls on Tuesday and Thursday next week. In the meantime, feel free to jump on the morning motivational calls at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Folks, we have the tools, and I am so excited, and I encourage you, jump on the wagon and let's go to the top. With that being said, thank you all. Be blessed. Good night, and I'll see you at the top.